DecoNetwork makes it easy to request and record payments within Business Hub. You can do it several ways. So one, you could go into a customer or company profile and you can request payment. And that's going to allow us to select all of the orders we want to be paid. Another way you could do it is go into an individual order and email payment request. And that'll send the customer a link to log into their profile, view this specific order, and pay for it. If the customer is actually in front of you, you can actually come in here to payments, add payment, and you can enter in credit card details, or you can record it as cash or check. So we can email the customer, hey, pay for all these orders. Email them for this specific order. Hey, we need to get this paid. They can pay electronically, or we can go into the individual quote or an order, record a payment, and mark it how they're actually paying. Are they paying by card? We're entering their details. Are they paying by check, cash, whatever you have set as your available payment methods. This is also where we can add a refund or apply store credit that they have to pay for this order. If you have any questions on how to record a payment or anything else related to using DecoNetwork, simply come up to the question mark where you'll find many great resources, or raise a support ticket with client services, who is more than happy to help you whenever you need. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.